Siyabingelela kakhulu. This is uProphet uSlindo Magwe, abanye bathi Dr. Slindo Magwe, abanye bathi Prophet Slindo Magwe. Namhlanje I want us to check izinto ezibaluleke kakhulu in the gift of prophecy. Lento esokhuluma ngayo namhlanje siyibiza ngani? Siyibiza ngokuthi steps of handling a prophetic word. Steps of handling a prophetic word. So iwona sokhuluma ngawo namhlanje ukuthi yini efuneka siyibheke as abantu aba-prophetic nanoku understand ukuthi iwona mapha ama-steps efuneka siwabheke, especially in the prophetic. So kufuneka si-understand ukuthi kunendlela eziningi ezahlukahlukene sikakhulukazi zokwamukela izwi lesiprofetho, and nanokuthi futhi lolo hlobo ungenayo ishoyo ukuthi uhlobo luni lalelo message ozoyi-receive, right? Number one, i-message ozoyi-receive kufanele uyi-receive, we-understand, and futhi bese uyakwazi ukuyi-applya according to ama-scriptures, because each and every prophecy, each and every prophetic word akumele iphambane nama-scriptures, kumele isondelane nama-scriptures. So abantu abaningi baye bacabanga ukuthi mangabe sikhuluma nge-prophecy, i-prophecy funeka ingakwazi ukusho oku-against ama-scriptures. No, i-prophecy ngaso sonke isikhathi uma ngabe ikhuluma into ehambisana nama-scriptures. So ngamanye amazwi ayiphambana nama-scriptures. Okay? Now, kunento ezimbalwa kufuneka uzi-understand ukuthi each and every word olireceivayo lihamba nento ebizwa ngokuthi i-prophetic revelation. Prophetic revelation. So abantu abaningi ukuthi bayakwazi ukuthola izwi lesiprofetho, but bayastrugglisha when it comes to i-revelation. So as umuntu prophetic, you need to understand ukuthi i-prophecy uma ngabe uhluleka ukuthola i-revelation kuyona leyo prophecy ayanele, but i-prophecy yanela uma ngabe uzokwazi ukuthola i-revelation kuleyo prophetic word. So i-prophetic word oyithola as a prophet kufanele ukwazi ukuthola i-revelation kuyona. So uma besikhuluma ukuthi uyithola kanjani i-revelation excuse me, uyithola kanjani i-revelation? I-revelation uyithola kwi-message lo sokuyibona. So i-message ingaqhamuka number one nge-dream, iqhamuke nge-vision, iqhamuke nange-picture, iqhamuke futhi nange-scripture, yabo. So it depends ukuthi uNkulunkulu ufuna ukukhuluma ngayiphi indlela. It depends ukuthi uNkulunkulu ufuna ukukhuluma ngayiphi indlela. Angakhuluma nge-dream, angakhuluma nge-vision, angakhuluma nge-picture. So now wena as umuntu nange-scripture futhi, so wena as umuntu prophetic kufuneka ufike kwi-level la ozokwazi ukubona khona ukuthi uNkulunkulu uthini kuwena, and iyona yiphi i-channel ayisebenzisayo kuwena as umuntu prophetic. Usebenzisa yiphi i-channel? Because njengoba sikhuluma ukuthi kunama-dreams, kunama-visions, kunama-pictures, kunama-scriptures. Those are the prophetic channels. So uNkulunkulu akakhulumi noma kanjani, but usebenzisa uhlobo oluthile le-channel azokhuluma ngayo. And uqala bheka kuwena muntu prophetic ukuthi u-understanda yiphi i-prophecy, i-prophetic channel. U-understanda yiphi i-prophetic channel? Because baningi abantu uNkulunkulu akaze amcommunicate nabo, but only to find ukuthi when it comes to a-prophetic channel aba-understandi ukuthi uNkulunkulu ucommunicate kanjani nabo, usebenzisa lokhu uhlobo le-prophetic channel. Alright? Number one, uNkulunkulu angakhuluma with umuntu prophetic ngani? Ngama-dreams. Ngama-dreams. So ama-dreams aphinde aziwe ngama-vision of the night. So when you speak about a dream iphinde yaziwe nge-vision of the night. So each and every dream iphethe a prophetic message. Each and every dream, each and every oh my word, can you I believe uyangizwa lapho. All right, Okay, each and every dream. Somebody's trying to phone me. I'm not sure what's going on. Okay, let's try. I hope you are hearing me. All right. Okay, each and every dream. Okay, each and every dream iphethe a prophetic message. Right? So you need to understand lokho ukuthi akwenzeki iphupho libe khona kanti ayikho imessage uNkulunkulu afuna ukuyikhuluma. So the reason why uNkulunkulu ekhuluma nawe is just the reason why uphupha is just because kune message especially uNkulunkulu afuna ukunikeza yona. Number one, you need to understand ukuthi when we speak about a dream yaziwa ngokuthi i-vision of the night. I-vision of the night. Yaziwa ukuthi i-vision of the night. Alright? Okay. Alright. I'm so sorry. Okay, yes. I'm so sorry about that. So, ilokuzana yaziwa ngokuthi i-vision of the night. Okay? Iphupho yaziwa ukuthi i-vision of the night. So, ngithi-ke each and every dream elifika kuwena liphethe a prophetic message. Right? So uma beliphethe a prophetic message, i-dream yaziwa nge-divine visitation. Yaziwa nge-divine visitation. So uma besithi iphupho li-divine visitation, iphupho usuke uvakashele uNkulunkulu ngani ngephupho. Right? So that's why libizwa ngokuthi i-divine visitation, because uNkulunkulu usuke ukuvakashela ngephupho. So wonke umuntu ophuphayo usuke bekade evakashele uNkulunkulu. Ngelinye ilanga sokhuluma ukuthi nakhona futhi ufuna ukuwabheka amaphupho because amaphupho ahlukene igaba ezingu-3. Kunephupho elingaqhamuka from the pit of hell, kunephupho elingaqhamuka from uSatan, kube khona iphupho elingaqhamuka from kuNkulunkulu, and then kube khona futhi nephupho elingaqhamuka from kuwena. So ngelinye ilanga sokusibheka le, but ake sibheke on the godly side ukuthi when we speak about the dream, i-dream nayo ilokhuzana i-visitation kaNkulunkulu. So number one, i-channel uNkulunkulu angayisebenzisa ukukhuluma nawe as umuntu prophetic kungama-dreams, kungamaphupho. Alright? Ukuthi konke ngiqede ke online because sina vele face-to-face class ese-Pine Town. So kulabo abafuna uku-understand more, sina i-face-to-face, uzothola namba yami ngebhayo, sina i-face-to-face class ese-Pine Town. Now, then bese kuba khona ama-visions. Angimane ngithi uNkulunkulu kufuneka ufika ngani usuke eletha lento ebizwa ngani eletha lento ebizwa ukuthi i-prophetic revelation. Now i-prophetic revelation ingafika through ama-dreams, or rather futhi iphinde ifike through ama-dream ama-dreams number one, and then number two ama-visions. Now i-vision ile eyenzeka during that day, yabo. So i-vision yenzeka during that day, noma futhi ingenzeka futhi ebusuku, but yenzeka ungalele. Yabo. So when we speak about i-vision ayidingi ukuthi lala, but i-vision yenzeka uhlezi, and then kuzothi nje mhlambe kuzothi ukuphazamiseka mhlambe like i-consciousness mhlambe for about a second, and then bese ubone i-message, and then ke mhlambe bese ubona lo mbono, and then lo mbono bese udinga the interpretation, and then ma bese u-interpret lo mbono, then uzobe sewuyakwazi ukuthi uthole a prophetic message kulo mbono. Ngoba umbono uma ngabe ulethe unjalo, uma ngabe uthi ngibone something akuyona i-prophecy, but kuba i-prophecy uma ngabe suthi ukwazi u-interpreta into oyibona embonweni. Yabo, abantu abaningi baletha iphupho njengoba linjalo. Uma ngabe ulethe iphupho njengoba linjalo aliyona i-prophecy, but into eyenza iphupho libe i-prophecy i-interpretation yephupho. Yabo, so if you interpret lelo phupho, uku-interpret lelo phupho ikona okwenza i-prophetic message. Same thing applies now with vision. Abantu abaningi bawabona ama-visions, but they struggle to interpret ama-visions. Yabo, so iyona enye izinto ebalulekile ukuthi you need ukuthi u-reach the stage, or reach the point where you will be able to interpret your own dreams, or reach the stage where you will be able to interpret your own visions as well. Now, if vision now is another channel uNkulunkulu angayisebenzisa ukukhuluma nawe as umuntu prophetic, because angakhombisa lo mbono mhlawumbe uthi usekitchen uyaziphekela, but nje ingqondo ethi uphazamisa mhlawumbe for few seconds, and then you say something, and then after saying that lokubonile, and then bese uthole interpretation around that, and then ke bese uyakusho ukuthi uNkulunkulu ukuboniseni. Sekuyiphulukhuzana ke sekuyi prophecy njalo. Yabo